afternoon, evening, from wherever you are, man. When you see this blank canvas, you know what time it is. It's analyzing other traders' strategies. Today, we are analyzing none other than the best Hannah Trades. If you know her, if you have seen her, she's a veteran, man. She's a legend, man. She's doing a great job. I watch her content. She popped on my page one day and voila, I continue to watch it, and it's very interesting, very educative. She's very disciplined, she's very kept to herself, very polite, and that's all I say. So let's dive into it. This canvas is our ball today. So she has one of the easiest trading strategies I have ever seen in my life. I have never seen something like this. You know, this thing I started of analyzing other traders will teach me so many strategies that by the time I'm done, I'll understand why the market moves the way it moves. Okay, so sorry, this thing has decided to misbehave. So what is not happening? Where's my tool hanging? Let me delete and let's start again. So let's delete. So her trading strategy involves 1 hour time frame. That's all. 1 hour. I have never seen something like that. So this is how she trades. Okay, this is how she trades. She looks at a flag. Okay, break of the flag. Let's see there. Okay, she waits for it to come back at her level again. She's gone. Her exit, one of the easiest exits I have ever seen in trading. Okay, so this is her trading strategy. I'm trying to give you an analysis of what we are going to be dealing with. Okay, all right. She's looking at flags, but she has to go. She had given trade of the trade, but just observing the strategy. She was something like this. For those who know, those who understand, you know, the market has flags. It creates flags, it breaks them moves. Okay, let's put that back there for analytical purposes. So that's her trading strategy. So when it comes back there, when it comes back to those entries, she will take. But there's a little plot twist in this. See, the market is not always perfect. The market is not a perfect graph. It's not a perfect angle that is always measured and will come to respect your levels immediately. Okay, or perfectly. Okay, the market behaves the way it wants, but remember, it targets zones. So what she will do, she will look at these zones. If the market doesn't come to this, she will look at the previous week. Okay, the previous high. So always remember the market has highs and lows. Okay, and she will consider them a lot. And so this is high. So the market will make a high and a low, right? There we go. That's how the market works, basically. That's how the market works. It forms highs and lows. Nothing much. Same case applies here. Okay, same case applies here with more clone. Okay, there you go. More clone. There you go. Sorry for that. Come here. So basically that's it. The market forms highs and lows. Okay, she will have to look at the highs and the lows of the market, and when they are broken, that's her confirmation. So the flag basically is giving her what is known, we will call it accumulation, but I don't know how she calls it in her trading strategy. She hasn't given it, because even this trading strategy I'm analyzing, I had to go back and watch videos when she was back testing, and that's how I discovered how she trades. She doesn't have a video fully explaining her trading strategy. So this is the flag, break of the flag. When it comes back to those levels, she'll take the trade, and the rest is history. So the entry criteria is given, and the exit criteria is very different. The exit criteria is she will trail the market using a trading stop loss. If you know a trading stop loss, this is where, for example, she took a setup here. Okay, this will be her entry. Remember, she scalps, she doesn't swing, scalping in and out. So the market will come here, this will be a stop loss. TP she wouldn't allocate. So eventually, after the market moves, it's going to form another high and another low, and it's going to give her a flag. Okay, and when the market gives her a flag and it started to trend, she will trail the stop loss to the previous low. Okay, considering weeks. She said she considers weeks. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. So without further ado, I have already found a setup that fits the criteria, because I don't want to go too much into the details. It's her trading strategy, and I wouldn't like to go much into details. Remember, we are respecting traders because they are good and they have motivated us at this journey of trading. So remember, a flag. So this is where I found a flag on a bullish setup. There are a lot of flags in bearish setups, but I don't want to go much into those ones. So we go to this bullish setup. As you can see, the market was trending very well. The market is in a bull run, and remember, I said 1 hour time frame. The market is in a very good bull run. Okay, forms a flag within this area, a very beautiful flag. As you can see, she will have to wait for the flag and see a break. The break and the bull run continues. Remember, always follow the trend. That's one thing I like about her trading strategy. She follows the trend. Okay, so after the bull run continues and this flag is broken, okay, she will wait for the market to come back to the flag. Remember, I said the market is not a perfect environment or a measured to perfection thing. It sometimes respects zones. Even in my trading strategy, I say that all the time. Okay, so she will look at this previous high. Remember, we looked at highs. This previous high. Okay, that previous high. So when the market comes back, so she will wait. This is the good break. So she will wait for the market to break. Okay, the market has broken and it has come to respect this previous high. So basically, for other traders, they would say it has come to mitigate. So she will take a good long here. All right, minimize. She's a scalper, remember, very few pips. Okay, and vice versa. So the trade will look like this. She will not have a good TP set. So what she will do, she will continue with the movement until it goes to a certain level where the trend starts to change. So remember, we said she don't have a TP, and we talked about trading stop loss. This is where the exit criteria of her trading strategy comes. So after the market rallies and moves and it's respecting these areas, okay, let's say this is the area that it's respecting and it's trying to form another flag. As you can see, the market is trying to form a flag here, and the momentum shifts. So she won't incur a loss. She will have already traded that. Oh, where was I? So this was the entry. Oh God, what am I doing? So this was the trade. So this was the stop loss. Okay, few pips, maybe 20, 15, I don't know. So when the market starts to change the trend and forming, remember these are lows and these are highs. She will have trailed a stop loss to those areas somewhere there. Okay, let's just see that. Okay, or somewhere here where the market is trying to form a new level. So if the market pulls back, she will be wicked, but she will be wicked in a very good profit. Okay, remember, this is a very good setup. She will have made let's say roughly 1:1, which is very good. 1:1 is a trader, you know, if you have a good account, that's a lot of money. Yes, so basically That's her trading strategy, a very easy strategy. I have analyzed strategies, but this one is one of the most interesting and easiest strategy to work on and to trade on. So for now, that's all out. Let's keep enjoying the content. Let's keep viewing. Let's keep having fun. Okay, let's enjoy and let's have a blessed trading week ahead. So that's all out.